Gang, 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 nigga. Gah.
Emerald.
Gah. Look, oh, he jacking what? We gon' start to the front, we gon' click till it's done, and let's have some fun. Like, when they running at me, hope they ready to run. We got unlimited guns. Like, I done built at the top, I'm just ready to dump. Like, gang, 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 nigga. Gang. Oh, they screaming out big bros, but my big bros, man, they really got packs. Tryna slide on the ops, let it clap. Like, how many niggas saw me in real life? Like, and they know I'll be quick to attack, but they just gon' act really capping they raps. Ophthalmol pussy is wax, she be fiending for me just to fuck from the back. Like, for one, everywhere you go, bring your gun.
Good morning, you beautiful people. Welcome to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Josh, and today we're shooting on the GoPro Hero 9. It's been a while, so I figured we'd do a little, I'm driving into the gym. We're always on a long country road. Let's go ahead. When the last time did we do a, what is it called? My view driving, first person drive. I don't know what it's called, but I figured we'd get some started, Let me make sure we're on the right recording settings first. Nice little ride today. Like I said, man, we just hanging out, we just chilling. It's been a while, so I figured why not jump on here, put a little video up, say what's up to the people while you guys get to see. Don't worry about the dirty interior. I've been super sick lately, man, so haven't been doing much, couldn't do much. Like I said, just been feeling super sick. I'm getting out of it, so I will be back. I will be posting more, and yeah. Of course, this is in Mexico. Anyways, what's been up, guys? What's been new with you guys? Have you seen the, I'd say car news would have been like the new Zl1. The new Zl1 has been the topic of discussion. I know I sound super stuffy because I am. But, how many of you guys like it? Like, what do you guys think about it? I see Amelia Hartford has been getting all the latest and greatest from Chevy. She's been able to actually be the first one to race it, the first one to do burnouts and drift it and all that stuff. So that shows a super great collaboration between her and Chevy itself. That's super awesome to see that Chevy's learning, getting away from the commercials, going towards more of YouTube and these streaming sites, because that's where your fans are, that's where your viewers are, your buyers are, and that's where the market is. No one watches TV anymore. I haven't had cable in years, and I don't intend to get it. Streaming platforms, YouTube, that's what it is. So let me know in the comments below, do you guys agree or not? I think that's where the new push is going to be. I say it, I mean it because I said it. But the new Zl1 is nice. We're talking again, the world's strongest, fastest, most horsepower V8. I think we're pushing what, 670 horsepower on a V8. And it's high revving. I want to say we're at 8,500 red line on that. That thing's pushing. That thing is pushing. That thing is going to be doing some crazy numbers. And it's Chevy. Finally, Chevy's jumping in. Now I don't want to spoil it too much, but Amelia did race the C8 against. Oh man, she raced it against a. What did she race it against? A Lamborghini Huracan, the Evo. We know the Evo's a little faster. And then she also raced it against a Ferrari, maybe 458. I'm not sure how they go in the Ferraris, but yeah. And like I said, numbers don't lie, man. She did really good. It was crazy. Like I said, big shout out to her. Big shout out to Chevy finally learning. I know Mustang came out with this Chevy lookalike, so Chevy, I'm gonna need y'all to not discontinue us yet on the Camaros. I need you to go ahead and throw that LT5 motor from the ZR1 inside the ZL1. Let's go ahead and do one final big shebang. One final big shebang. We need it.